Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am harvesting potatoes. I'm so excited about this. I love harvesting potatoes and I've got 4 pots over there ready to go. They're about 13 weeks old. So I planted 1 potato seed about 13 weeks ago in one 40 centimetre pot, and I'm keen to see, this is an experiment for me, so I'm keen to see how many potatoes we're going to get just from planting 1 potato seed. I've got a few different varieties. I've got Desiree, White Star and Nadine, and they're all ready to be harvested now, so let's get into it. So I've got the pots sitting over here ready to be harvested. I'll move them out onto the grass in a minute, onto a tarp, but you can see they are pretty much dead now. That one's almost completely gone. That's what we want to see. We want to see dead leaves falling over. So it's a perfect time now to harvest these. Let's do it. So I got these cute little gardening gloves for my birthday this week from a friend. They're super cute. I'm a bit worried I'm going to get them dirty, but I love them, so I want to try them out. They are machine washable, which is a bonus. And he gave me this cute little basket as well, so we'll put the potatoes in there. So the first one I'm going to pull out is the White Star. So I'll just cut all these stalks off here. This one isn't quite as dried out as that one, but we'll see how we go. And I'll pop all this mulch into a bucket. I also got this cart for my birthday too, which actually goes under my compost bins to make it a bit easier, so I can pop all the mulch into that. Okay, moment of truth. There's one already, yay. All right, let's tip this out. They usually sit around the front, so that's the seed potato, which is a bit gross. Just pop that over there. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, little one, 6, 7, 8. The soil feels nice and moist. Okay, so that looks like that's it for this particular pot. So that's not too bad. We got 8 potatoes from 1 potato seed. Not bad odds. We'll do this one next, which is Desiree. I think this is quite a quick one to grow, so we should get a decent amount from these. Cut the plants off. I can see potatoes sitting at the top there already. That's pretty cool. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, little one, 7. These are a decent size. That might be it, but we'll tip it over and just see anyway. Doesn't look like there's anything in there. Look at that. There's the gross sweet potato. This one's quite moist still. I think that might be it for this bucket. Alright, so how many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7, but they are a pretty decent size, those ones. Okay, pop this back. Oh, there's a baby. Okay, this one is... There's my little popsicle stick. Here we are. This one is another white star, which was the same as the first one. I think I like the white star potatoes the best. They seem to produce quite well. I'm loving my little cart here. It's going to come in very handy in my garden. Okay, so you can see one there already. And another one. Couple there. Oh, this one looks good. Got lots of baby ones there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Lots in this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I won't count the baby ones because they're a bit small. 14 potatoes from one plant seed. That one looks a bit weird. That might have potato scab on it. I think that's got potato scab on it too, so I don't know if those ones are going to be any good, but still 14 from one potato seed is pretty amazing. Just going to dig this around, make sure there's no more in there, which I'm pretty sure there's not. I don't even have to tip this one out. They were just all sitting on the top underneath the mulch. I don't even know where the seed potato is. It's like completely gone. I might have smushed it before. I did feel something wet. There it is. But that's amazing. 14 potatoes from one potato seed. Crazy. Oh, this one's heavy. Hopefully that means there's a lot in here, but we only have one. And there's a grub which I'm going to squirt it up. Oh my God, that bug I just squashed went everywhere. It went all over me and in my hair. I guess that's karma for squashing it. But I don't want it in my garden eating my vegetables. Okay, last one. So this is Nadine. I think these ones are pretty good too, but there's only one stalk on this, so I'm not sure if we're going to get too many. Okay, I've got lots of small ones on this. Yeah, I didn't water because I was trying to let them dry out, but I think we got rain yesterday when I was at work, so that could be why they're so... small ones there. It's looking very disappointing. There's one. Wow, this is really weird. There's like none in here. It was just those tiny ones. I'm not sure why. There's some worms in here, that's good. I'm not sure why that has not grown. Very interesting, so I have to take note of that, Nadine, Potatoes did not produce. Okay, we'll call that one a bust. Oh, hang on. Here's some. I might have to tip this out, I think. They might be down deep. Oh, here we go. Here they are. Yeah, they're quite small though. That's alright, we'll just make potato salad. And there's a decent one on the side. So these ones were quite deep and all on the side of the pot, which is strange. Oh, there's one, another one. Not too badly sized. Okay, I'm going to tip this out and have a good dig. Oh, here's some here. Look at these weird stalks on them. I haven't even been counting how many there are of this variety because I thought it was a bust. I think that looks like that might be all of them. Okay guys, so that's harvest done. So these are the Desiree. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was the first white star batch. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a few small ones. This is the Nadine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this was the other white star, but they've got potato scab on them, so that's a fail. Well, we did get the most from this one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 14 plus some small ones there. So very interesting and mixed results. And they're going to go in the bin because they're diseased. If anyone knows if that's potato scab, please leave a comment below. And if you have to throw them out, I'm guessing you can't eat them. But not too bad over here. I'm going to make a nice potato salad with these. So thanks for watching, guys. We got about 28 potatoes in total that are edible. I'm going to leave those potato scab ones, throw them in the bin. And if you like this video, then check out this one above where I am sowing my August seeds for my spring and summer garden. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm going to go weigh these now. So I spoke to my friend Nikki over at Love of Dirt. If you haven't checked out her channel, then do so because she has amazing content on growing veggies, and everything that I know, I have seriously learned from her. She knows everything. Anyway, so she told me that it is potato scab. The potatoes are still edible, just don't put them in the compost bin, and don't reuse that soil for anything like potatoes or nightshade family again. I didn't want to throw out a whole pot's worth of dirt, so I'm going to put it in my herb garden bed where I grow lettuce and leafy greens and dill and coriander. So she said that was fine to reuse that dirt there. She also said that potato scab can arise from something in the soil, and I was also wondering if it might have been because I put in a potato seed that was a tiny bit soft. I was a bit worried when I put that one in, so maybe that is the reason. I'm not too sure. Okay, so it looks like we got 3.5 pounds or 1.6 kilos from 3 potato seeds. That's not a bad effort. That's going to make a pretty decent potato salad for dinner tonight. I'm happy with that.